Assalamu alaikum friends. Assalamu alaikum viewers. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope so that you don't mind me. Happy and so in today's video let's start with the beautiful centerpiece at the heart of holiday decoration. The naked dining table look magical and set the mood for a cozy family dinner. You don't need to be expensive decoration. Handmade, beautiful centerpiece at home. Start with a tray or a wooden bowl. There is some pink icons, small ornaments and fairy lights on it, and there are candles in the middle to create a warm glow. You can also use a glass jar or vase and fill it with red and golden ornaments. Wrap a ribbon around the jar for a festive look. Fresh flowers are another great idea. White roses, red berries and green leaves together look stunning. Then the golden ribbon and place them in the center of the table for a rustic style. Natural things like dry orange and red berries. They give a beautiful Christmas decoration to the warm room. If you want something simple, just place 3 big candles in a row and around them with some more ornaments and trim it. The best part is you can mix and match these ideas. Use